occasion. This day holds immense historical and national significance. It was on January 26, 1950 that the Indian Constitution, the longest written constitution in the world, came into effect, replacing the Government of India Act of 1935. This day was deliberately chosen to honor the declaration of Purna Swaraj or complete independence made by the leaders of the Indian freedom movement. On this day, India in 1950 transitioned into a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of our constitution, once said, "However good a constitution may be, it is sure to turn out bad because those who are called to work it happen to be a bad lot. However bad a constitution may be, it may turn out to be good if those who are called to work it happen to be a good lot." These words challenge us to not only honor the constitution but also embody its spirit in our actions. Let us remember the unsung heroes of the freedom struggle like Bhagat Singh, whose revolutionary zeal ignited the fire of resistance. Subhash Chandra Bose, who galvanized the nation with his slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." And Rani Lakshmibai, the embodiment of courage, who fought till her last breath to protect her motherland. Their sacrifices remind us that freedom and dignity come at any cost, a cost they paid with their lives. These great individuals taught us that patriotism is not just a sentiment, it is commitment, an action, and sometimes a sacrifice. Looking back, India in 1950 was a nation brimming with hope but grappling with challenges, poverty, illiteracy, and a fragile economy. From being an agrarian society, we have transformed into global powerhouse. Our advancements in space exploration with missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan are not just milestones but testimonials of our potential to achieve the impossible. The Green Revolution turned a food deficient nation into a food surplus one, while the IT Revolution established India as the world's technology hub. Today, India stands tall as the fifth largest economy, a leader in technology and a beacon of democracy. As we stride into the future, the responsibility lies on our shoulders, the youth, to take this legacy forward. Let us envision an India where no child is denied education, where innovation drives progress, and where unity in diversity remains our greatest strength. Let us pledge to not only dream but act to build a nation that history will not just remember but celebrate. Allow me to share the story of a visionary who exemplified the spirit of modern India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, lovingly known as the Missile Man of India. Born into a humble family in Rameswaram, Dr. Kalam faced numerous challenges but never gave up. Once during a lecture he was asked, "What is your dream for India?" He replied, "My dream is to see India as a developed nation where individual has equal opportunity to grow and prosper." Today, as we strive for sustainable development and technological innovation, let us draw inspiration from his dream and make it our mission. Let us also reflect on the values enshrined in the preamble of our Constitution: justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. These are not mere words, but pillars upon which the edifice of our democracy rests. Justice must reach the most marginalized, equality must bridge every divide, liberty must empower every voice, and fraternity must bind us together as one nation. Friends, Republic Day is not just a celebration, it is a call to an action. It is commitment to the ideals of our Constitution and the actions of those who sacrifice for our freedom. It is a day to renew our commitment. Let us remember the unsung heroes. Let us remember the words of Swami Vivekananda, who said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Let these words guide us as we embark on a journey to bind a brighter, stronger and more inclusive India. While winding up, I leave you with a thought: India's future is not written by the ink of mere hope, but by the actions of its determined youth. Let us be the torchbearers of change and the architects of a glorious tomorrow. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.